This is where the river comes down, but it seems like there's no river every tide in a good while now because of less rain. But look at this forest here, we're in the middle. Look at these things going on here, boy. Guys, that is worse than a wasp. You know our wasp in Jamaica? That is worse than wasp. What's the name of it?
Maribonta.
Maribonta. Guys, if you hear about Maribonta, them are the real hunter. They will hunt you, boy.
So small. I don't know. You see that on the yellow one?
Yeah.
If that rains now, I feel like I am
phone, everything, wherever I have money, I'm reaching dirty. Don't stop.
They say ready for one? Yeah. Let me see. Up there nicer? Up there nicer?
That's not water.
Clean water.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, good. But yes, a cold, you know.
I guess the more you go up, because it's inside. Frank is gonna go in the water, guys. Sample it for us. You know? Yeah, actually, there you go, Frank. Yes, Frank. Hey. Go on, Frank. Oh, missing out.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Shrimp now, boy. You want the next side?
Cocoa.
Go for the bed, quick. Come up now.
I'm gonna break it.
Let's start it. You come in there.
We have it in. We have having cocoa. Yeah. What's your name?
Nalo.
Nalo. Where you get these? You pick them?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, there's a cocoa tree there. Wow. We have these in Jamaica as well. Cocoa. This is how they do it.
So they just came from the waterfall as well.
Oh, it just came.
Natural chocolate.
Natural chocolate. Use the seed to make it.
You understand?
Cocoa. I will get cocoa.
Yeah. These youths, they live around here, so they know up here pretty well. You understand? That's why everybody from up here is excellent swimmers.
Okay.
You understand?
Where the big swimmers come from.
Yeah, man.
You can swim, swim?
Yeah, of course, I just good. Now watch, you see? That's the fruit there.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Imagine, yeah? I'm gonna be honest. We got cocoa in Jamaica, but guess what happened? I never tried it before, guys.
You never tried it before?
Imagine, we got cocoa in Jamaica, and I never tried it before. And I come all the way in Trinidad.
Yeah, man.
Trying cocoa.
Yeah? That's so wrong.
You know? That's so wrong, right? Hey, look how far I've come try it.
Yeah, but how it is?
My first time tasting it.
Yeah, man.
Nice. No hard feelings, Jamaica. No hard feelings. You know, but I never get the chance to taste it back home, but Caribbean is still our home, right?
Correct. Big up the youths, man.
Yeah, the youths them there. The youths are the future.
For real.
Those are the youths of the future, you know? Youths are the future. This is food.
Natural.
Real natural food. So we're gonna head back home. Cocoa. Imagine that. We have this in Jamaica and I never tried it. I'm come all the way to Trinidad come try it. No hard feelings, my country. I love it. Love you so much. Tastes good. Yeah, water low. Kind of dry up. Wow. Yeah, just look at this. Look at this beautiful area. Look at this beautiful area. Did you really expect Trinidad to be looking like this? To be honest, you know, look what I'm bringing. You know, do you expect to see Trinidad looking like this? This place is so nice, you know, so nice. I have the river over here. Squid, what's the name of this place again? Squid, what's the name of the place again? What's the name? What's the name?
This is Blue Basin.
Blue Basin?
Yeah. The water fall up in the back.
Oh. So the water kind of low.
Man, I'll never know about the wall about 3 months ago, you know. Normally this water used to be out here. Hi.
What's going on down there?
About the wall. This space of the water, wider.
I hear over that thing.
Oh, yeah.
But that, these candles, yeah, that is spiritual thing.
Spiritual thing.
I talk about the wall. Me once telling them candles, like
So that's some spiritual thing go on there, right?
Yeah. Those people who always believe in the witchcraft and the bad magic and things. You know,
Oh.
magic.
So they really believe in those things, not here in Trinidad?
Yeah. Do you believe it in Jamaica too?
Yes, they're in Jamaica, you know.
Everybody wants to be Raja Wine. Turn up the good thing.
Yeah. Let me show them down in the river. So we're down in the river. Blessings, brother. All is well.
Yeah.
Big up, man. Kino from Jamaica.
What?
Jamaica.
Alright. Are you rocking it squid, boy?
Yeah. So we're rocking to see what Trinidad is like, man. Nice stones, you know, nice river. As you can see, the river is a bit low. But what I noticed, there is a lot of this stuff going on. Squid! So as you can see the kids them swimming up there. I never bring any swim, but there's a lot of tadpole in this river though. You can see more tadpole there. Have a little fall here. Right here. Little fall. It's very nice. You're correct. Trinidad water. Cold. So guys, I never bring anything to swim. You know, I'll just stick it in toe. Well, I have the kids them swimming up there. They also have a fall. I need to go check out, show you the fall as well too. Let me show you the fall. And you see the kids them enjoying themselves. Why they still got most of these things here, the candles? They got these candles. So it's like a little pool area. Frank, you have more of those candles right there as well. The candles. Nice? Water nice? So, as you can see the candle here, like they do a lot of worshipping down here. You know? So we're gonna walk up the stream, yeah? Yeah. Look at this. There's a mini waterfall here as well. So guys, you never. Huh? Oh, blue water. So at least you have the clear water. But we also have clear water as well too. You know? Very clear. This is the mini fall. It used to be high, right? So I guess you haven't get any rain. Yeah.
That water stop. Huh? Yeah, your turn.
He said that don't forget I band that
This is like a forest, you know. We have this forest same way in Jamaica, same way. Wow. More time you know me as a man, guys, you know I like to make them walk. You know. Seek and you will find. You can keep up?
You have to.
You can keep up?
Got to.
You got to. Exercise is good for him, you know. As you can see, these are water marks, water trail. So the river come down here as well, right?
Yes.
That's why you see the trees them is like this, you know, because you have water come down this side as well too. This is where the river come down, but it seems like there's no river every tide from a good while now because of less rain. But look at this forest here, we're in the middle. Look at these things going on here, boy. There's like a lot of worshipping going on down here, man. What's this, revival?
You wanna know again? You don't play none of them things.
Huh?
I don't play none of them things.
It's like some revival around here. You can see the candle and everything. Tell me if you understand it. You got different flags as well too around here. A lot of spiritual thing going on around here because there's the flags them as well too. And as you can see the candles when I was walking past, you see the candles as well too. Get your grip.
Yes, sir.
Put your foot behind it.
Give me a hand.
How it feel? Fall?
Some big rocks. These are some big rocks. And these are some big rocks, guys. So as you can see, the river always cover these places. Normally the river would have covered all of these places because you can see the river line where the water line is.
They walk all this way.
So we're here in the middle of the forest. So we'll continue heading where we can see the more fall, you know, up more in the forest, same way, you know, exploring the Trinidad nature. So this is like, I can understand why. I can understand why you see all of those candles and everything, the spiritual ritual we them do down there. With the candle, you also see it by the river as well too, by the side with the candles and everything. So the tranquility and the peacefulness that's here. So I'm gonna get real dark because of, as you can see, it's covered. Yeah. Very nice. Not even lines around here. This type of light. But Frank, so you never get any understanding about the reason why they do what they do in the candle and all them flag. Yeah, the ritual.
People want riches, people want to be wealthy in life. They know they do the activities to do look like faster. Okay. You know, do to the activities to get rich.
Yeah.
Or if a woman want to fix you, man.
So there's a look, there's a marker here. There's a marker here. There's another marker. So
Yeah, like people get lost and things.
okay. Wow.
The partner son, put your walking, come.
Go on, keep. You have to keep up. Get rough.
When you done there, you done breathe. Then you done outside.
There's a man. There's a man going up through the bush up there.
Yeah. That's what we're going. Up the road. That's the road where we was there.
Yeah.
We walk to come on top now, but we just taking the trees.
Okay. Yeah. Just plant your feet when you step in.
Let's take a time to come on. Come on. You going fighting?
No waterfall here as well. So. Nice clear water, very clear, very nice. Very peaceful. Yeah. So when last we get some heavy rain, Frank? When was the last time you got some heavy? A good while now? Good while. So on Christmas time. So that's a good while ago then. So that's why the river is kind. So that's the reason why the water is so low, because this side of Trinidad haven't get some good rainwater in the longest while. The very longest while.
There's a bucket there, rain always falls down.
Yeah.
When the rain fall, it can't pass here.
It can't pass here when the rain fall, right?
Yeah, man, what are you doing here?
Yeah, like I can see the water marks or high the
How
river.
high the water is.
Yeah, how high the water is. Yeah. Cause literally where you standing, the water will cover you.
Yeah, cover it.
Cover.
That's not what's so mean.
Yeah.
Water is high.
It's very high. You can see rushing as well too.
Take your time, no fright, no rush. Your body, I don't know how to control your body. If you know you're going to slide, you lean back.
Yeah, lean back.
You fall on your bottom, then you fall on face too.
Yes, as you can see, this is where the water mark is. So when time river is really high, this is where I'm standing right underneath the water. So the water will be above me, as you can see. You know. So we'll continue heading up.
Good work.
Yeah.
Wash your face and thing in there.
Woo!
Wash your face and thing in there.
Yeah.
Come first, come.
I need to wash my face as well. It's nice to chuck off, you know.
Yeah. You may see up there nicer.
Up there nicer. I didn't know.
That's salt water.
Clean water.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, it's very cool.
There's a cold, you know.
I guess the more you go up because it's inside.
Come, sir.
On the side here, water is cool, see me. As I can see in here is dark, getting darker because there's no sunlight coming in. You know, walking up this fall, and there you got another 2 candles there as well too. So it's like the more you go up the stream, the more you will see candles. So a lot of ritual going on around here. You know. Real. And these are some big rocks here.
It's like a hole.
Yes guys, so don't think we're in Jamaica, we're in Trinidad.
Right, come on.
The nature life here in Trinidad, so it's not only Jamaica you will find these wonderful forests as well with this nice river stream running down as well. So you can find it also here in Trinidad. So this is a walkway, see me, and I can see a bigger fall straight ahead. So imagine when time the river is really high. This is how covered with water, you know. Wow. Nice. There's a catchment where the water when you can shower as well over there. And you got more flags. The red, green, and that's supposed to be white, right? Over there same way. So all of these places, you know. Can you believe that? Wow.
And you know, this water is really quite
Out here the water that come, right?
it change the whole course.
Yeah. Wow. This is lovely.
You go higher, but right?
Blue, little bit.
Too much.
Blue ball, going on there. Little bit.
Bring your phone and take out now and flow it to them.
This water, very cool.
Very cool.
We are let's garden.
Hey.
Yeah, when you go in that water down.
And Jamie, if you come earlier,
Yeah.
when we have fun, I can go up.
Up, right?
Yeah, it's a pools, the fun pools.
More pools.
Yeah.
So this is what the world needs to see, you know. Guys, this is Trinidad. This is Trinidad we're looking at right now, you know, with this wonderful fall. Look at the fall coming down.
Huh?
No. Guys, guess what? I never bring nothing to swim. You know, yeah, show them, Frank. Show them, Frank. Exactly. Frank is gonna go in the water, guys. Sample it for us. You know, yeah, that's it. There you go, Frank. Yes, Frank. Hey. Go on, Frank. Oh, missing out. Missing out. Well, it cannot stand up.
Yeah.
Cannot stand up there.
Yeah, swim, go.
Look, he's standing up, man. He's standing up.
Nah.
Yeah.
What? It have a big like a log.
Yeah.
Yeah, it have a log over there. So
Oh.
you can be on, but there, can't stand up. What? Go down.
Yeah.
Stay around this. I will go. Stop for it.
Woo!
Yeah, man.
Nice.
What's that for, man?
Cool. Nice. Boy, right? Cannot stand out there at all. Don't go far, boy.
Stay right there, son.
Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Oh, so that's the log out there, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. Black hole. Real cool, right? I gotta take off my shoes and set up on the water.
And that nigga take it off your jacket.
Huh? So I stand up and I have to put my foot in the water.
Yeah.
At least.
Have to take that one, boy.
At
When
least.
that sun like a sun, man. The water cool.
Yeah.
Gotta just go in.
Let's go in. It's right inside
Let's
it.
go in.
I use it to guys. Woo. I have to test this. Whoa. Yo, this water is cool. Yo, Frank, this now turn the next way.
What, video?
No, it's a picture.
Oh.
Walk at this. Whoa. Too bad. Ever. Yo, the water cold. Yo, the water is cold. I mean, there's one thing I don't like trouble wet, you know. Yo, I feel some fish are making up on my feet. Yeah, a fish. I can feel the fish them are niggle from my feet. The fish them is niggling. This is a nice waterfall. You can see the drop where the water is running down the rock. You know, nice, nice, very, 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 very nice. It's too. Yeah. Oh yeah. See, you got some. Oh, I know what I eat. Something I eat my feet, like the fish. Yeah, and the fish I eat my feet. Eh? Oh.
Yeah. You ever cut anything?
Yeah.
Clean the cut.
Yeah. So guys, I'm in the water and the fish them feed on my feet. Like them I say, yo, Jamaican chicken leg. You know? The fish them is like Jamaican chicken leg in the water.
Fresh leg.
Yeah, fresh leg. Yeah, the fish them say, yo, chicken leg in the water. Yeah, some jerk chicken from Jamaica. That's what about jerk chicken. But guys, the only reason why I don't like travel wet, you know, if I'm gonna swim, well, let me see if we can catch these boys, you know. Can't see them, you know. You can see them and feed from the feed. Yeah, you can check them. Yeah, see them and feed on my feet. The boy them is feeding on my feet. Think I would catch them. Look. Guys, as you can see, the fish them are feed on my feet. They're having some chicken foot. Yeah. So I'm gonna just leave them to massage my feet for me, because that's what they're doing. You know? Massaging my feet. This is so nice, so sweet. I'm not even lying. And I know you're watching it, and you say, Kino, go and take a swim. Go and take a what? I don't like travel wet, you know. So when you're traveling when you're wet, I get too cold. I don't like feeling that way. So I rather travel when time I got towel and everything, spray clothes to change off. Then I feel back dry. I don't like travel feeling wet. I hope you understand, you know. But these fish is having a nice time at my feet right now. Guys, look at this, man. It's so beautiful. Look. These fishes, they're taking the piss. Look. You see, right? These boys feeding on my feet. Water. It's so weird. The fish them a bite on your foot. Hey. Suppose when I come out the water I got no toes, nothing left. Imagine that. Nice. Alright, leave them alone. Nice nature vibes. Nice.
On a normal day? Plenty people up there.
Plenty people, right?
Yeah. You can serve get time to be.
Yeah.
Brown.
Brown. So at least you come at the right time then. Yeah. You come the right time. And you have, what's that, candle over there again? Look, there's more candle over there again. So you have candle. I have a bead as well too. So a lot of ritual going down by this river. Up there you have a cave. I have a cave up there. On cave. Oh.
If you want to go and watch like, but take the steps and thing, and you sit in there and go up.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And you come back down, you get things on your way.
Okay. That's a walk to go all the way up. And they say there's more pool, like fall up them sides. It's real nice though. Real nice. That body real nice. Yeah, let me see them. Real nice. This river is real nice.
Yeah, because the water back. But the water was lower nice.
It's a lot bigger tree here first. When you pick up now, you walk up there and as a friend and it's standing down there. Rain come younger than man. You don't go over there. When it's coming, you go down into the side and you walk down that ground. And we walk then you walk back coming down ground. So it's not rain falling. And then that's up here. Every time you go there, you take those on that side. More fast.
Guys telling me I'm loving this experience. Whew, deep meditation, nice vibe, you know, nice energy. You're not swimming? I said no, it's too cold.
I'm not going back.
You're not going back in there though. I don't blame you, it's too cold. Yeah.
You come here and it's on hot.
Now what?
Yeah.
This is Trinidad freezer.
This
Natural freezer.
Always cold.
Well, imagine it.
Hot sun air. Sun coming through there.
Alright, but if you're saying that, so imagine when you go to Jamaica. It's colder than that.
Yeah.
Of course.
No, but I
It is cold.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cool, but Jamaican water, trust me, I've been to a lot of the rivers them, and they're cold. Like shivering.
Like how it's female?
Yeah. So, alright, so when the sun is even hot, that's when the river is even more colder.
Yeah, well, this river get more cold.
Yeah. When it's more hotter, that's when it's colder in Jamaica. You know?
Water there, but now water not clean like that.
Yeah. Yeah. But this one is light. It's have a nice slight blue as well. Cool.
But yourself good now while you look to know. Yourself a good bit.
Yeah man, give yourself a dip man.
Man.
Get a swim now man.
Walk down a little like that.
Take a lie down.
Yeah. Real nice. This is real nice guys, I'm not lying. This river is real nice. Up here really nice. Not telling no lie. Real vibes as well too. I think he might go chuck off, you know. That is it, guys. That is it. So the next river I go to, you know, I'm gonna swim. I'll make sure to bring map. I'm gonna get prepared and go. I'm gonna get prepared next time I go to a river. Because to be honest, I wasn't expecting this, you know. So I was kind of looking down, you know. I wasn't really expecting this. I know I'm a man, I love swim. So when I come and see this now, I'm like, shit. You know, like, wow. You know, I regretted not bringing any clothes to swim, but I don't like the traveling wet, you know. I just never liked doing that from a younger childhood, no. I like traveling with clothes with something where I can dry off, because sometimes you can get sick traveling in wet clothes and everything, you know. So I just don't like the idea of traveling wet. That is just me, you know. So next time, the next river I'm going to, here soon, I'm bringing my clothes to swim, you know. Definitely. Swim. So what time them play football?
We are good only about after 7.
Okay. Okay, nice. Very nice. This is nice, man.
Nice?
Yeah, man.
Right.
Experience. Sure.
They say call Channel Adventurous.
Very nice. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yeah, hello?
There you go, son.
Okay, yeah. Okay, start a YouTube channel for yourself and do some of these things. Yeah, your family who can cook fish when you go by the river and cook some fish. You understand? So you can think about starting a YouTube channel as well too. Because I noticed in Trinidad they don't have many YouTubers. You understand?
TikTokers.
Yes. So you can try some YouTube.
Instagram stars.
But when you not do it, you don't do too much smoking on it. Because you know not everyone I go like it. Yes.
Yeah, when the camera on.
When the camera on.
Yeah, when the camera on, there's none on it. Yes guys, so look at this. So we're traveling out back.
I see monkeys, but you see that flying over here.
Oh, monkey? There's a monkey in here as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Plenty of them?
Plenty of them.
I can hear a noise. Is that one of them? I can hear a sound. I wonder if we can catch a monkey. Hear another sound like one there. I can hear another sound like a monkey. Or you call the monkeys here in Trinidad? You don't know? So this is another walk, you know, really good walk. What do you call it?
The outskirts, you pass the river.
Yeah. So now we're walking on the outskirts of the river. You know, I love this hiking. So next time now, go on the river, we'll just cook some food on the river. Yeah. And we'll have vibes, you know, get some fish. And come fry some fish on the river. And do some pumpkin dumpling. Pumpkin dumpling. Or oats dumpling, you know. Up the hill. So that's the sign we said waterfall and everything. So guys, if you ever come into Trinidad and you're watching this channel and you want to link up with Squid and his team for them to tour for sure you're around in Trinidad, trust me, you can reach out and you'll see Squid. Link will be in the description. You can reach out, man, you know, and link them up and they can show you a nice time, show you some nice places, you know, as what you see them doing for me here in Trinidad. Trust me. This is going down the hill now. So, look. So down there is where we park as well. Active road. Road here down black. Yeah. Beautiful. I'm telling you guys, so you can see it's another walk with the guys I'm walking everything. So nice, man, you know. Trinidad surprised me. Trinidad, why you surprised me so much? Eh? You see guys, it's not good to only watch and get your information off social media about a country, you know. Experience it. We have one life, you know. We cannot live in fear, because while you're living in fear, it's gonna hinder you, you know, stopping you from doing things you want to do in life. You know, we cannot be living through fear, because fear is all illusion to be used fear, you know, because fear stop you from being where you want to be sometime in life. Because if you fear to do this, fear to do that, it's going to stop you. You know, fear is good, because fear, sometimes, you know, fear is awareness, you know, get aware of stuff. Say, yes, we know things, yeah, but you're aware. But don't let your fear stop you, you know, from proceeding through life, you know, because life brings expectation, you know, an unexpected incursion where, you know, so you still have to go through life and look out for the unexpected. You cannot go through life and think, say, oh, you're not going to meet up on the unexpected, the unforeseen. You see me? You have to expect this in life. So don't ever make fear stop you, you know, from going through life to experience, you know. But look at this. This is a wonderful, wonderful forest here, you know. All this nature. So we're literally up in the mountains, same way, you know. Oh, we're up in the mountains. So life is an experience, you know. Life is a journey, you know. And where you at right now, where you're watching from, you're at one destination. So but your life is a journey. So until you move from that destination, your journey will always continue. And I say I want to thank all my subscribers. I cannot stop thanking you so much, all my loyal subscribers. The ones them that put the thumbs up when them watching, yeah. There's so much love. I appreciate you so much, because you appreciate me and appreciate the good work that I'm doing. And as what I'm saying, I wish everyone can try to do the same thing that I'm doing, you know. Try to explore, enjoy life, you know, serve a purpose, help out each other, you know. When someone down, let's help them up, because life experience in this physical body, it's only for a limited and a short period of time here having this life experience. So while you're here, you know, do the righteousness, stand for righteousness. It's either you stand for something, or if you don't stand for something, you're gonna fall for anything. So I stand for righteousness. So righteousness is doing the right thing, right way, all the time. You understand? So show love, you know, and gratitude is a must. So that's why, you know, for where I am at now and where I'm coming from, I have to always give thanks. You know, I appreciate the people that played a part in my life, you know, from the extended family, from my family to the extended family, you know, coming up, for giving me a strength carrying through this on this journey, you know. So guys, I always say life is not what you think it is, but it's just how you live it. So if you live negative, all you will attract is just negative. So when you live positive and live for love, that's all will come back to you, you know. If you live for drama, you will get drama. If you live for mix up, you will get mix up. If you live for wrong, you will get wrongdoings. You will have bad feelings continue coming to you. So this is just my message. You don't have to believe or take what I'm saying, right? You don't have to, but I hope it can resonate. It can ignite some fuse in your body for you to realize what Keaton said makes sense. You know, so you have to give thanks. I would love life. Look at this nature. I always wish I did bring my drone. This would be so wonderful. Oh, these some black wasps. Oh.
Don't play too close, Charlie. Them no Finland.
Where's them boy the bad? them said them one is some badder than wasps. Them said those is more worse than wasps.
Run, they're coming behind you.
Yeah?
Yeah. That might go
Oh, don't go there.
Don't go there.
Why they jump in that water?
Because
I am not running.
That rank,
look at Quick's face.
Everybody here no? Run.
Hey, don't go there, brother. That's dangerous.
that rank can run come home.
Yeah.
Yes, brother.
They
will
chase
follow you.
I'm not sure that necessary now, boy. I'm not saying adventurous, boy.
No, that is guys, that is worse than a wasp. You know a wasp in Jamaica?
Yeah, that rank can
That is worse than wasp. What's the name of it?
Maribonta.
Maribonta. Guys, if I hear about Maribonta, them are the real hunter. They will hunt you, boy.
So small. Head to the city. I don't play.
You see that on the yellow one?
Yeah.
If that is no, I'm running straight for the
I
water.
feel like I am
Hey,
box
phone, everything, wherever I have one day, you're reaching dirty. Don't stop.
They say ready for one? Where is the stone? Let me get a stone. I don't think a stone.
Tripping here like a fall down and feel the pain. I'm gone.
Push it, hey, take that back for all I'm trying to get started.
Yeah, who's ready to run? 'Cause I'm ready to throw a stone in that tree and run. Close the van. Yeah, them say that is more dangerous than a wasp. Imagine that, you know. And they will proper chase you down. No matter how far you run, they will chase you. You know, they will hunt you like a real hunter. Yeah man, they will really hunt you guys. So yeah man, so blessing love to all, blessed love to all. I thank you so much, you know, for watching Keenan Life in Jamaica. If you reach this far, you haven't put the thumbs up, what are you waiting on? Put the thumbs up guys, you know. We're on the road to 100K, you know, and we're definitely gonna get there, you know. By your support and the Almighty on our side, we will get there, you know. Thank you so much. Remember to hit the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Tell a friend about Keenan Life in Jamaica. We real, we are real, we ain't no faker. Jamaica, we ain't no faker. Straight love. Yeah, straight love it is. Here. Enjoying this life. escovitch fish. What kind of fish you have now?
Drill.
Huh?
That's the drill fish.
Jerk grill fish. What kind of fish is that? You have shrimp as well, right?
No shrimp at the moment.
Alright, give me the kingfish and rice and peas. You have rice and peas, right?
Rice and peas, the two sides it comes with. So this is the second side.
Oh, what's the first side?
The first side is rice and peas.
Okay, well, what's the second side?
Your choice. Your choice. Your side's listed here. You don't have any fried plantain at the moment.
Okay.
Not as yet. Yeah.
Alright, I'm good with the rice and peas.
Huh?
I'm good with the rice and
You're
peas.
good with the rice and peas. Okay.
Yeah. Potato salad. Is that got
Mayo?
yeah.
Yeah. They have the creamy potatoes. That's like a creamy mashed potato.
It's creamy to get rid of the cream. Dairy. Cream. Macaroni salad, same thing?
Macaroni salad and potato salad will be the same.
Okay. I'll work with the rice and peas then.
Nice and good.
Yeah.
80.
How much?
80.
Frank, me good? You want anything? Jerk. Fine. Jerk. You want rice and peas? Yeah, give it 2 rice and peas.
2 with rice and peas.
Yeah.
2 the same.
Yeah. $160.
Water and juice. What kind of that? 228, that's the number, right?
How long will it take? 15 minutes. Okay. You said 15 minutes. Guys, here's my food.
Oh, yeah. That's right, man.
Yes, sir.
Father's cameraman. One below.
Food. Just went to the food square to grab myself something to go and eat. This is the kingfish and rice and peas. It's at a Jamaican spot here, you know, on the avenue. As you can see, the avenue is still lit. It is still up, still busy. So I came here to get me some food. So that is it. So I'm gonna see what this is like, how it tastes and everything. So this is kingfish and rice and peas with some hot sauce on the avenue at that food place. You know, the place, as you can see, is loads of foreigner, you know, loads of tourists there as well too. So it is nice. I'm gonna see what is going on with this food. what it tastes like. Bodies up top.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.